Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this song tutorial video. In the first part, I'm going to count out the song's chords so you'll know exactly how long to play each one. In the second part, I'm going to play through the entire song so you can practice along with me. So stick around to the end, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Before we begin, you should click on that link at the top of the description and that'll take you to a chord chart containing all the chords and lyrics of the song you're about to practice. I recommend printing it out right now and grabbing a pencil so you can write in the number of beats per chord as I call them out to you. If you see a chord you don't recognize, and just click on link number 2 in the video's description and that'll take you to a list of chord tutorial videos. Finally, if you want to learn more songs once this video is over, click on link number 3 and that'll take you to a spreadsheet containing all of my chord charts and song tutorial videos. Now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Thy Mercy My God by Sandra McCracken. I'm going to demonstrate this song on guitar, but you can use any instrument that you choose. And hopefully you've already clicked on link number 1 in this video's description and pulled up the chord chart. I'm going to practice through verse 1, and as I do, it's going to display the number of beats per chord in verse 1. And the chords in verse 1 are identical to the chords throughout the rest of the song. I'll point out that there are different versions of this song, and they all have different interludes, different chord progressions played through the interludes. So I'm just going to simplify, and instead of having to choose one, I'm just going to strum a G between every verse and as an intro. One final note before I begin, which is that this song is in 6/8 time signature, so I can actually, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can count 1, 2, like that. And so that's how I'm going to do, count every 3 beats as 1. All right, so verse 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thy mercy, my God, is the theme of my song, the joy of my heart and the boast of my tongue. Thy free grace alone, from the first to the last, hath won my affection and bound my soul fast. Alright, so now I'm going to play through the entire song, and you can practice along with me if you'd like. If you think you're going to have trouble keeping up at my tempo, not a problem. Just change the playback settings speed to something like 0.75x. It'll probably make me sound terrible, but at least you'll be able to keep up a lot more easily, and that's what really matters. Alright, so I'll count us in, and then strum a G, and then go into verse 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats on the G. 2. Now verse 1. Thy mercy, my God, is the theme of my song, the joy of my heart and the boast of my tongue. Thy free grace alone, from the first to the last, hath won my affection and bound my soul fast. I'm going to do it 4 beats. 3, 4, verse 2. Without thy sweet mercy I could not live here. Sin would reduce me to utter despair, but through thy free goodness my spirits revive, and he that first made me still keeps me alive. 3, 4, verse 3. Thy mercy is more than a match for my heart, which wonders to feel its own hardness depart. Dissolved by thy goodness, I fall to the ground and weep to the praise of the mercy I found. 2, 3, verse 4. Great Father of mercy, thy goodness I own, and the covenant love of thy crucified Son. All praise to the Spirit, whose whisper divine seals mercy and pardon and righteousness mine. All praise to the Spirit, whose whisper divine seals mercy and pardon and righteousness mine. 2, 3, 4, extra 4 beats and we'll end. 2, 3, 4, end here. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click on link number 3 and check out my other chord charts and song tutorials. If you want to help me make more videos, you can support me on Patreon using the link below. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time.